Welcome to ASB Accounting Services Bulgaria, your trusted partner for accounting, tax, and business services in Bulgaria. Today we will discuss a very practical and often frustrating topic: what Bulgarian banks actually require when your company has foreign director. Many foreign entrepreneurs underestimate this step. They believe that once the company is registered, opening a bank account is simple. In reality, this is where the real compliance process begins. First, identification and personal documents of the director. Banks will always start with the basics: valid passport or ID card, proof of address such as utility bill or bank statement. In some cases, a second identification document if the director is a non-EU citizen. Expect stricter checks and additional verifications. Second, company registration documents. The bank will require a full set of corporate documents, including certificate of incorporation, article of association, extract from the Bulgarian commercial register, documents showing the appointed director. Even though these are public records in Bulgaria, banks still require official copies. Third, ultimate beneficial owner, UBO, verification. This is one of the most critical parts. Banks will not stop at the director. They will go further and identify the real owners behind the company. They usually request declaration of ultimate beneficial owners, ownership structure chart, documents for each shareholder, especially if there are foreign companies involved. If there is a multi-layer structure, the process becomes significantly more complex and slower. Fourth, business activity and source of funds. This is where many applications fail. Banks want to understand what the company will actually do, who the clients of the company are going to be, where the money will come from, expected monthly turnover and transaction volume. They may ask for contracts or draft agreements, invoices or business plans, website or platform links. If your explanation is unclear or inconsistent, the bank may reject the application. Fifth, compliance and risk-related documents. Depending on the case, banks may request tax residency certificate, proof of previous business activity, CVs or professional background of the director, explanation of cross-border transactions. For higher risk setups, especially with foreign owners or e-commerce, the level of scrutiny increases significantly. Sixth, presence and verification. Even in 2026, many Bulgarian banks still require physical presence of the director in Bulgaria, video identification procedures, additional compliance interviews. Fully remote account opening is still limited and not guaranteed. Final, a practical advice. If you want to avoid delays or rejection, prepare all documents in advance. Ensure consistency between your business model, contracts, and explanations. Avoid overly complex structures without clear substance. Be ready to answer detailed questions about your activity. Because in Bulgaria, opening the company is often the easy part. Opening the bank account is where the real due diligence happens. This content provides general information and does not constitute tax, accounting, or legal advice. Each situation is different and should be reviewed individually. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more tips on doing business in Bulgaria.